Hi, I'm Gabriel, the founder of NutCracker Centerlock tools. In this video, I would like to give you a brief introduction to our product lineup. The purpose of all our tools is simple, to allow you to work solo on your Porsche Centerlocks. There are two ways to work on your Centerlocks using our tools, manual and electric. Now let me explain the differences. With Centerlocks, the wheel must always be off the ground during removal and reinstallation. The standard procedure therefore requires one person inside the car engaging the brake and another person outside working the Centerlock. As mentioned, with our tools, you can always complete the wheel swap without another person's help. Let me explain how. When working manually, the key tool is our NutCracker HD. HD stands for heavy duty. It is based on a planetary gearbox, which acts as a torque multiplier with 5:1 ratio. You simply use a standard torque wrench set to 120 Newton meters, and the torque is multiplied to the 600 Newton meters required for the Centerlock nut. But you might ask, how can he work solo if the wheels need to be braked? That's exactly what our other tool is for. We call it the other guy, or TOG, because it allows you to engage the brakes with just a few squeezes of this lever. There are special enclosures on both ends. On one end, an enclosure shaped to fit either a PDK or manual brake pedal. And on the other end, an enclosure that locks into your seat rail. We offer multiple seat rail inserts compatible with virtually any Porsche seat. If you want to be sure you would be able to work on any brake pedal and seat combination, make sure to get the ultimate version of the TOG, which includes all available enclosures. You can learn more about the manual method in the video linked above. Now let's talk about the electric method, as this is where things get really interesting. This is our flagship tool, the NutCracker Pro. Like the HD, it uses planetary gearbox for smooth torque delivery without harmful impacts. But it is electric and computer controlled. Simply set the required torque to 600 Newton meters, pull the trigger, and within seconds you are done. And the best part, when using the Pro, you do not even need to brake your wheels at all. And with just a little bit of practice, you can be done with one wheel change in under 60 seconds. How cool is that? If you would like to learn more about working with the Pro, we recommend watching the video linked above. Last but not least, there's a product you can use in both scenarios, manual and electric. We call it the wheel dough. It screws into the wheel hub in place of the removed Centerlock nut, and its only purpose is to guide the wheel safely during removal and installation. This is especially helpful if you have carbon ceramic brakes, which are quite brittle, and impact on the edge of the brake disc can be very costly. If you choose the manual method, we recommend purchasing all three tools, the HD, TOG, and wheel dough as a set, which saves you $100. Since NutCracker's inception, we have liberated over 500 car enthusiasts from the need for assistance. We invite you to join the club with our state-of-the-art tools. Thank you for watching. Visit our store at nut-cracker.com.